Discover the Jordan Spizike Low, a modern reinterpretation of a classic hybrid that blends iconic Air Jordan elements with fresh street-ready style. This updated low-top model stands out with its anthracite leather and mesh upper, giving each section a rich, layered texture. Viewers will instantly notice the textured toe, the airy side panel mesh, and the warm brown suede heel that adds depth and contrast. The deep green laces paired with a bold wild mango lace lock create a striking pop, while the sail midsole and cargo khaki accents deliver stability and balance. Underneath, a black rubber outsole with a 3D pattern enhances grip and durability. Designed with the experimental spirit of the original Spizike, this version mixes solidity and lightness, giving every step a unique look. Perfect for everyday wear, the Spizike Low brings quiet individuality, modern comfort, and eye-catching style to today's streets.